Well, it's the end of an era. Okay, I'm just gonna wear it. Screw it. I quit my job. An hour and a half ago was my last day at the job that I have been at for almost 7 years. And I'm taking a leap. You gotta do it. I've been wanting to do this for the past 32 years. And finally, with a lot of insight from a lot of people, I went ahead and did it. And it's crazy because I'm 47, not getting any younger. I have been super routine and super conservative my entire life. And out of nowhere, I just decided to go for it. You only live once, right? It's one of those things where if you don't do it now, you'll never do it. So why not? So let me give you a rundown of what I'm getting myself into. Now, this wasn't the easiest decision, and it has been scary. I've been anxious. I don't know. There's just a lot of emotions going on through my head. I have a family to be responsible for. I have a mortgage. I have a shop that needs some way of being paid for. And I'm relying solely on this decision to make all of that happen. But that's the greatest part, is that with all that, I have the inspiration and the drive and the actual physical things that I have to take care of in order to be successful. There's no choice of failure. This has to work. And I know I can do it because I have a great support system. I have the knowledge, and I have just the most amazing contacts and people in my life that I can definitely connect with in order to continue to make sure that this is a thriving, striving business. But you're probably wondering what it is, and I still haven't told you yet. Come along. I'm sorry, this is really awkward and weird, and just here, come on, let's change it up and I'll show you what it is. Hang on. All right. So to tell you the truth, a majority of what I'm going to be doing has nothing to do with this shop. Has nothing to do with this lounge. I just happen to be filming here because it looks cool. I mean, come on. Look how badass all this stuff is. It's freaking rad. Love you all. What I'm actually going to be doing is going to be out there. Damn it, you guys can't see there's a door. So it's that meant to be like it's outside. It's outside stuff. I'm trying, all right? So what I actually have been doing for the past almost 7 years is sitting at a desk, which for me was actually quite comfortable and nice, and I enjoyed. I love my job. I love what I get to do. I was in business management. I was doing graphic design. I was doing customer service, handling a lot of stuff for people and making their day happy, which was nice. But it just got to me, and I couldn't do it anymore. And this is one of those times where quite literally I was in my own head of if I don't do this for myself, then who knows where I am physically and mentally going to end up in the future. Now, don't get me wrong. Everything with my past company ended amazing. We were able to do a 2-week notice. Everything was professional, straight up. They got trained in everything that I did. And we were able to leave in a way where even if they need to call me later to get more information, then they can. That's the best possible way you can leave a job. So kids, do it that way. It makes everyone's life much easier. But I just had to do something for myself, and I had to get out from behind a desk. I just couldn't do that anymore. It just wasn't my thing. So this is what I'm going to be doing. Yep. I'm changing scenes again. Okay, sorry. So you're probably asking yourself, well, wait a minute, Brian. I thought you said you're not doing a desk job anymore. Why are you sitting by a desk if that's what you're going to be doing? Well, this isn't what I'm going to be doing. This is actually just really cool. I just wanted to show you my setup. Like I have like 5 monitors. I'm going to have a laptop right here. This thing goes up and down. Oh crap, it's not turned on. Hang on. Hold, please. This thing goes up and down. Yeah. Oh yeah. And you know, it's just, okay, whatever, shut up. Let's go. I'll show you what I'm doing. Actually, wait. Let me show you what I bought in order to do what I'm going to be doing. It's at a different location, so we got to kind of go there. So this is actually not what I wanted to show you. I was actually just transitioning into, because we got to go over and drive to where we're going. So, yep, never mind. Okay. Now, by now, I'm sure a lot of you are saying, well, Brian, why don't you just tell us what's going on already? And in response to that, I would say, mind your own business! So sorry about that. I get a little excited. Let's recap on that. Let's recap. I'm gonna fill you in right now, actually. All right, sorry. I'm so sorry. There she is. 1995 GMC 3500 utility bed. And the best part is, it's got a lift gate. Badass. So, this is our new steed. And I'm sure you're wondering what we're gonna be using this bad mamma jamma for. Well, let me show you. God damn it. Oh yeah, this beauty is gonna be our support system and our 1000% workhorse for our new junk removal business. Oh yeah, that's right, we are getting into it. And I'm sure you ask why we are doing junk removal, and I'll explain to you, but let me fire this beast up for you. What the? It may need a little work. Oh yeah. This thing is supported by a 7.4 liter 454 Chevy naturally aspirated engine that has been used out of Vandenberg Air Force Base for however many years. But the best part is that it only has 40,000 original miles. And you can tell, because honestly, other than a little surface rust, pretty much everything here is sitting untouched. So the big deal that we gotta do is we gotta change the battery. We already checked some of the fluids. We gotta do a little bit of cleanup, and then we're gonna start this sucker up. Just not today. It's gonna be tomorrow. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that thing. That is a beauty. 1,600 pound capacity, max capacity. We're probably not gonna go to that route, but it's good to know that we have it if we need it. So that's the beast. Now, the really cool thing about all this is that we get to start from the very beginning, because yes, we have a truck, but that's about it. Well, not technically. We do have, yep, our own hats. That's right. I've got a hat. And actually, wait a minute. Yeah. Yeah, they forgot to take the background out. Ooh. Oh yeah, there we go. Yep, we've got hats. But everything else we still have to process. And to tell you the truth, it's a little nerve-wracking. It's gonna be a lot of work, but I'm really excited to get into it. And I'm pumped. I'm really pumped. So this is the announcement. Some of you have heard about it. Some of you are just now learning about it. Welcome to the new adventure. Let's get back to the shop, and then from there, we'll close this thing out. But all the support that I can get from you guys, I'll take it. All right, I'm gonna put this back on because we gotta go out, you know, with respect for the company that supported me for a while. So, all right, let's do this. So with that, I wanna thank everyone so much for their support. I want to thank SLG Concrete Coatings for employing me for the past almost 7 years and the experiences I got there. I just want to thank everyone who's believed in me. And quite honestly, I know I've been joking around a bit, but this has been huge. And I have worked my ass off to get to this point where I could finally feel as if I can do it and feel comfortable doing it and know in my mind that I will be successful. There is no question. And so I just want to keep going with that. And I do want to build. I want to build on the channel. I want to build on the business. I want to build on other businesses. I mean, this is just the start. ETM, that's just the top. There's all kinds of other businesses that can branch off of that. Gone Coastal, that's just one of them. That's our main source. That's going to be the one thing that's going to be my daily routine. All these other things are just things that I can thrive on and grow and do other things with. So that's what we're going to do. And we are going to continue to document the process through this channel. I was thinking about starting a whole nother channel and I decided not to. I decided we might as well keep it in one place. This is our community. This is our family. You guys are what helped make this happen and what helped get me to a point where I feel as if I can do this and be good at it. So thank you guys so much. We love you. We love all your support. Please, for those of you who are new, for those of you who've been here for a long time, like, comment, subscribe, hit up memberships, hit up our Amazon wish list. That helps us out with stuff that we need to build projects and just kind of get things going as we go along. I love you guys so much. And yeah, we'll see you in the field. I just, yeah, love you guys. All right, bye. Yeah, get to work. Freaking car show season. Freaking car show season. She's alive. Back to her old self. Dirty as hell. But she's ready for the streets. Woo-wee. She's got a leaky butt too.